Hello everybody, my name is Daksh and today I am here with a nice paper craft for you guys. So let's get started. First, cut a paper into a square like this. Now fold it like this into a half, a triangle, and another one like this. Now fold it. Get like this. Hold it upside down and fold it like this. You will get a shape like this at the last. Now fold it like this. Now your tipi-tipi-top is ready. It is called as a tipi-tipi-tap. You can play with this like tipi-tipi-top. Which color do you want? It is a bit funny. Now we will write some color names on this. Blue, red, black, and pink. So our colors are ready. Now we will write numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now for fun, we will write some qualities and this quality over here. Good, bad, intelligent, serious. You can play with this like tipi-tipi-top. Which color do you want? I hope you like this and please like and subscribe our channel FunTime4Kids. Bye.